Dear Australian and Pakistanis, and I would like to bring in the attention of all politicians in Australia that a legend politician, top politician of Pakistan, former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, a former top legend cricketer, has been arrested by the paramilitary force in Pakistan, and army general behind this arrest. Imran Khan was attending his case in the High Court. Yeah, Imran Khan has been charged 150 fake cases, and he's a law-abiding politician, a law-abiding Pakistanis, and who has been attending all the fake cases. Today, he was appearing to the court and attending all these. One of the cases, while he was arrested from one of the rooms of the High Court. Therefore, we Pakistani protest to the Australian government, Australian politicians to please look into this, force Pakistani government to stop these torturing people, torturing journalists, intellectuals, activists, political figures. And now Imran Khan. Imran Khan is a top politician. He always, you know, respect the law, and he has been attending all the fake cases, and today he was in the High Court, and the Rangers came. Rangers is the paramilitary force in Pakistan. They actually attacked him. He was on the wheelchair because he was attacked before, and he received 3-4 bullets in his legs. So even then, on the wheelchair, he appeared in the court, and while he was doing his biometrics test, the Rangers entered in the room and pushed him. He was fallen down from the wheelchair. Then he was pushed and thrown into the Rangers lockup vehicle. So we Pakistanis protest to the Australian government and to the world powers to look into this Pakistani government. The military, the general, they are torturing people. They are torturing politicians. They already killed one of the top journalists, Arshad Sharif. They tortured a few politicians and journalists and the young activist politicians. And today they have arrested Imran Khan with the intention to kill him, to wipe out, because he is today is the famous leader of Pakistan who represent 220 million people in Pakistan. So I appeal all the Australians to please, and Pakistanis. Now all the Pakistanis have to come out and have a demonstration against the arrest of Imran Khan, and I would like to appeal all Pakistani community in Australia. So come out in every city, in the public place, protest against the arrest of Imran Khan by the paramilitary force and on the orders of the General of Pakistan Army Chief. So continue protest on the social media, post your protest, record your protest on video, and post on social media, on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you can do tonight. Continue protest. We have to protest around the world against this injustice, brutality, and anarchy creating by the army in Pakistan.